So if you look at the portable power station right now, it's a bit of an arms race. Every brand seems to be trying to build the biggest battery box possible. Bigger inverter, bigger battery, bigger price tag. Before you know it, you got something that weighs as much as a small child and costs more than some second-hand cars. But for most people, that's complete overkill. Which brings us to this. The ALLPOWERS R600 bundled with their folding 100-watt solar panel. On paper, the specs are fairly modest. A 299 watt hour Life PO4 battery, a 600 watt pure sine wave inverter, and a price tag that's a lot easier to justify than some of the giant units currently flooding YouTube. So the question isn't whether this can run your washing machine, because it can't. The real question is whether smaller, cheaper power stations like this are actually more useful in day-to-day life than giant battery boxes everyone seems obsessed with. Thanks to AllPowers for sending this out for me to try. Let's start with what you actually get in the package. Inside the box you've got the R600 itself, the mains charging lead, and an MC4 to XT60 adapter for connecting the solar panel. Thankfully, there's no massive external brick to find space for or inevitably lose. Everything is built into the unit, so charging from the wall is as simple as plugging in a standard kettle lead. The power station itself is surprisingly compact and comes in at just under 6 kilos in weight. It's light enough to carry around one-handed without feeling you're dragging a car battery around the place. Build quality feels solid. You've got a decent carry handle, and on the top there's a built-in 15-watt wireless charger pad for your phone. Around the front you've got your USB ports, DC output, built-in LED light, and a pair of 100-watt USB-C power delivery ports, which are ideal for charging laptops. And then you've got the important bit, 2 full UK main sockets. Round the side is the charging input. From the wall it'll charge it up to 400 watts, meaning you can go from empty to full surprisingly quickly. What impressed me more though was the solar capability. This little unit can accept up to 300 watts of solar at up to 60 volts. For a power station of this size, that's actually quite impressive and gives you a lot more flexibility than many competing units. My first test was as a backup power supply for my Ubiquiti network and Starlink. If you've ever had an interruption to power as a Starlink owner, you'll know it takes an absolute age for the dish to reconnect. This can also be true for some fibre routers. Not to worry though, because the R600 has a built-in UPS mode. The setup is slightly unusual because you need to switch the AC outputs on before connecting mains power, but once that's done, whatever is connected runs directly from wall power while the battery sits waiting in the background. So I let everything reboot and settle down and then pulled the mains plug. The network and internet just carried on. No network errors, no internet errors, nothing. Just as it was before. In fact, I genuinely wasn't sure it had switched over until I looked at the display. For workshop equipment, computers, networking gear, or anything that doesn't appreciate sudden power cuts, that's genuinely a useful feature. Though now this is where I've actually found the VR600 most interesting. I've got a greenhouse at the bottom of the garden, and the traditional solution would be to run armoured cable down there. For a few small loads, that feels like a lot of effort. So instead I set up the R600 with the bundled 100 watt solar panel. It's foldable, has built-in kickstands and a storage pocket on the rear for the various adapters. It even comes with a carry case. With that set up, I can easily run a circulation fan, a small greenhouse heater to keep the frost at bay, and an automated irrigation system. And because the battery uses Life PO4 chemistry, it's designed for thousands of charge cycles. In practical terms, that means you can use it every day for years without worrying about wearing it out. For small outbuildings and remote projects, it generally starts becoming an alternative to running permanent mains power. The UPS function genuinely works, and the compact form factor makes it easy to take wherever you need it. It's not trying to power your entire house, it's trying to solve everyday power problems without costing a fortune. No need to run an extension cable, and honestly I think that's exactly where the R600 makes the most sense. Links to the unit and solar bundle are down in the description. Let me know in the comments what you'd use something like this for. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.